Oh man, this pizza is so good. I can't eat anymore because I'm so excited. 6 slices, that's my new record.
Well, if it isn't my uninvited guest having some pizza party because in my way.
You're not getting away, Mysterio.
Looking for this?
Miles, I need your help. You need a hand, Pete? Yeah, I need to stop that pizza monster. Coming right up. Man, I'm too allergic. Venom, I need your help. Trust me, guys. I never get allergic to pizza anymore. I got this. I'm out of here. Too late, Mysterio. Now I have my symbiote white gauntlet to snap my fingers. Thanks, guys. Thank you for trying to save me from Mysterio. 100 slices for us!